यू आर जस्ट 11 एंड आप इतना काम कर रहे हो ऑलरेडी. शैतान में भी थे आप. इट वॉज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट हिट्स ऑफ द ईयर. हाउ हैज द एक्सपीरियंस बीन ऑल टुगेदर?
It has been great, amazing directors, amazing actors, and Shaitan and my other hit web series, Ye Meri Family, really
Yes.
good experiences, very decent people to work with. Yeah,
टेल मी योर एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट ये मेरी फैमिली.
Ye Meri Family was amazing to shoot. It was really fun, and a fun fact, I didn't go there and have to act at all. It was just me. Actors have to be open to anything. Like we're always ready.
राइट.
Yeah, we have to do anything. We have to do anything to become the
That
part of
character.
the role. Yeah, we
Yeah.
have to be the character.
So that you're okay to give all your 100% if required for a particular
Yes,
character.
it's our job. It's our bread and butter. So
Oh,
definitely.
wow. So intelligent. Oh my God. हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू एन अदर एपिसोड ऑफ 4 PM बॉलीवुड. मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट हर्षिता और हर एपिसोड में मैं लेकर आती हूं नए नए अभिनेता. लेकिन आज मेरे साथ एक बहुत ही स्पेशल पर्सन है क्योंकि यहाँ पे जितने भी अभिनेता आए हैं वो काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस के साथ आए हैं और काफ़ी दिग्गज और काफ़ी उम्र में भी बड़े रहे हैं. लेकिन आज हमारे साथ है एक स्पेशल वंडर, सिर्फ 11 साल के अंगद राज. हाय अंगद, वेलकम टू 4 PM बॉलीवुड.
Thank you so much. It's an honor to be here. Hello.
यू आर जस्ट 11 एंड आप इतना काम कर रहे हो ऑलरेडी. शैतान में भी थे आप. इट वॉज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट हिट्स ऑफ द ईयर. हाउ हैज़ द एक्सपीरियंस बीन ऑल टुगेदर?
It has been great, amazing directors, amazing actors, and Shaitan and my other hit web series, Ye Meri Family, really
Yes.
good experiences, very decent people to work with. Yeah.
एज अ चाइल्ड यू रियली लुक वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. हाउ हैज़ दिस, आप पहले से ही कॉन्फिडेंट थे कि कैमरा फेस करते करते, या फिर आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपको कोई एक्टिंग स्कूल, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट क्लासेस में आपको डाला हुआ था?
So acting has to come naturally. You can't go to an acting school and learn it. The first rule in acting is to not act. It's to be natural. And I think I've always been confident, like since I've started.
So when did you realize that I want to be an actor?
I didn't realize it was a coincidence. Just a 5-year-old kid sitting at a cafe in Juhu, and some casting scouts came, and they asked us if we wanted to do a film, Lal Singh Chadda with Amir Khan. I was small, and who doesn't want to work with Amir Khan? So I said, yeah, sure. We went to Mukesh Chabra's office. We gave the audition, everything. So I didn't get that, but they took my picture and my mother's phone number, and they put it in their circle. So since then, we've been getting offers for work.
So, and your parents were okay with you studying and simultaneously doing your acting job as well?
So I go to an online school called 21K. So it's really good for me because if I miss any class, they record the session. So if I miss it, I can just rewatch it, and I can chat with my teachers in almost real time, ask doubts, this, that, you know. So it's
Wow.
much better with that.
So in शैतान, जैसे कि अजय देवगन सर थे and he is very famous for playing pranks on his co-stars. This is what I've seen from all the Golmaal interviews and stuff. Was there anything on set that happened like that?
Not that I can remember of, but I do remember something had happened with him and the photographer, and everyone was laughing everywhere. I was somewhere else. I was in the vanity, but yeah, even I've heard that he's done that. I've watched one clip also,
Yeah.
where he trolls his photographer. There's one guy who he trolls, and that's his photographer. That's the only person.
Poor photographer. But he comes across as a very strict person. Were you scared at some point facing the camera alongside, you know, him and other actors?
Never. He is an amazing personality, an amazing person. If you actually meet him, he is really humble. And I've never heard of him being strict or anything like that. But with my experience with him was great. With him, Jyotaka auntie, Madhavan sir, and Janki Didi was playing my sister.
Right.
Great actors, great personalities, really humble people. And that is something I want to be when I grow up. I want to be like Ajay Devgan sir.
Wow, that's
Really cool.
That's some nice inspiration that you have taken from him. But शैतान जब मैंने देखी, I was really scared. weren't you during the filming any time कि हाय भूत आ रहा है या ऐसा कभी कुछ लगता था because you were in it?
See, the difference between shooting and seeing it is that when you shoot, there are no effects or sound effects in the background playing on a speaker, right? It's just very casual. You have to stay. I'm falling off the harness. I just had to do this, and no sounds or any effects that will make you scared. But when you watch it, they put VFX, they edit it, they put sound effects, they put music, this, that. So that's what gives it more of an effect. It makes it more scary.
Right.
So I didn't get scared, and none of us got scared.
And in real life, are you scared of ghosts?
I don't think they exist.
Wow. And tell me your experience about Ye Meri Family.
Ye Meri Family was amazing to shoot. It was really fun, and a fun fact, I didn't go there and have to act at all. It was just me. It was just a copy paste of me.
And in that, you shared any special bond with the co-stars, anything that you want to share?
Yes, a huge bond with Rajesh ji, because he has two sons. They're almost their age is almost the same as of me. So we could relate a lot. He was also really humble, and they were very nice people to talk to.
Talking about film industry, at your age, I used to see Abhishek Bachchan and I used to be like, oh, I love him. Do you have any sort of crush on any of the celebrities that like, oh, I want to one day dance with her kind of a thing?
No. But I have a favorite actor, Ryan Reynolds. He's pretty good.
Nobody in Bollywood?
Bollywood mein Ajay Devgan sir is there. I like his work. Jyotika auntie, who is in Shaitan. And not of any other actors.
Talking about your acting graph right now, at your age, you're doing so well. Are there any friends and, who try to be your friends just because, like, make me meet this one, make me meet that one? ऐसे होता है क्या? Like, friend circle में ऐसे?
I choose my friends very specifically because I know the moment they start talking, I can tell how a person is.
Wow,
or not.
I fail even today and to kind of understand people. And how do you get that knack? Like, this person is fake or this person is real? Like, what is your go-to point?
You can tell just by looking at them. Even if it depends on the way they speak. Genuine friends, they will never care or they'll never use you. They'll always be by you. They'll help you, and they won't annoy you. That's one thing I've learned. So I'm very selective of my friends, and you can tell the moment anyone speaks, anyone looks, how they look. Everything matters. My personality, so I can tell.
Given a chance, what would be your favorite genre?
I like action movies. I like sci-fi. I watched Jules, about this alien that fell off from the sky and then some old man helps him and all. I really like that. So I would really like to do a movie like Jules.
So उसके लिए फिर martial arts training वगैरह आपको लेनी पड़ेगी. So you are open to all the hustle that it requires.
Actors have to be open to anything. Like we're always ready.
Right.
Yeah, we have to do anything. We have to do anything to become the part of the role. Yeah, we have to be the character.
So that you're okay to give all your 100% if required for a particular
Yes, it's our job. It's our bread and butter. So
Oh,
definitely.
wow. So intelligent. Oh my God. Do you also intend to become a life coach as a part-time thing? Because I would come to you.
No, everyone has to choose how they live their life.
Yeah, but there are certain trials and errors that happen with everyone, and you already at 11, so I'm sure by I think 20 or 30, you would be the wisest man. I'm pretty sure with the kind of thinking that you have. It's always been this way, or you have kind of observed since the beginning, or you were into reading books or something.
I hate reading books. I'll be really honest.
Hi-fi. Same.
You do?
Same.
I hate books. Yeah, I'm a hardcore gamer too. I have a PlayStation and all. So I hate books other than if I have to do it in class or something, read a math book, write answers. Other than that, I don't really read books. My mom got me a Harry Potter book once. I read 15 pages and I left.
Yeah, I go to Crossword. I like the smell of the books. I think I'll buy, but I know eventually it will just lie in a corner. I cannot read it. I just have very less attention span.
About the smell, you don't have to buy it. You can just go in a bookstore and...
Yeah. So, children of your age, they usually like to watch something like a Spider-Man and superhero movies, and they're a lot into buying those toys and stuff like that. Are you also into this, buying collectibles or something like that?
Not really. I watched Spider Man. I really liked it. But I'm not like the collectible. I'm a car guy. I like cars a lot.
Do you buy Hot Wheels?
No, I've
No.
never bought a Hot Wheels car.
Okay, so in cars, like precisely if you have to, like if you go to a Hamleys or something, what is it that you would pick up?
Probably if I went to any store that has relations with car, or if they have small figures, I would probably get a BMW M4 the mini figure or something.
Yeah, got it. So what is it that ऐसे होता है कि बचपन में इतने परसेंटेज आएंगे तो parents say that I will gift you this. So with you, what is it that if your parents get you this, you will nail it in whatever, maybe an acting job or maybe your marks, stuff like that. Like anything on your bucket list that you're like ये चाहिए मुझे.
Not so that I can, not right now that I can remember anything, but like they're not like that. They're not selective that if I have bad marks, they'll scream, they'll shout, and then
Wow.
you're not gonna get your gift. They're not like that.
How cute.
They're very good.
Supportive that way, and I
Yeah,
think
very
that is
supportive.
also, I think people don't really understand the value of parenting. They are like, whatever parents do is right, but there is a lot that goes into parenting and the way they bring up, because there is a way, like how you are is because you've been molded that way. So I mean, credit to your parents for
Yeah,
that.
props to them.
Yeah. So, talking about Shaitan Ye Meri Family, what is it like right now in the pipeline? Any projects that you have done and are about to release?
You can expect you can expect a film from Yash Raj.
Oh wow.
You will really like it. You will really like it, and I've done a lot of ads with a lot of cricketers, so you can expect some too. Dettol, I've done Dettol. I've done an ad for Have More. There's an electric bike and a lot more, so you can expect that. And next year, there's gonna be a web series coming out.
Oh wow.
Yeah. And about the film that's gonna come this year, it's a big banner film, so I obviously can't talk a lot about
Correct,
it.
correct.
But it's a Yash Raj film, and they've announced it recently, so y'all will enjoy it.
So you've pretty much like spilled the beans. So if
Kind of.
somebody's, yeah, they can connect the dots and they can pretty much get it. Let's get to the rapid fire quickly.
Okay.
So your rapid fire is favorite cartoon or superhero?
Doraemon,
One go-to dish.
Arbi, and Maggie,
Daddy's son or mommy's son?
daddies,
Really? I thought mommy itna aa rahi hai shoot pe.
both, both.
Okay, what do you enjoy? Studying or shooting?
Shooting, who likes studying?
R. Madhavan or Ajay Devgan? Your favorite?
Ooh, this is not rapid fire. Ajay Devgan, because I didn't have a lot of interaction with R. Madhavan.
Ad with a A-list actor or a film with an ensemble cast?
Ad with a A-list.
A-lister, है ना? Are you a fan of, so like 5 names I'm giving you, according to your favoritism, you name. Alia Bhatt, Kiara Advani, Kriti Sanon, Janvi Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan. 5 favorites. Top favorite.
None of them actually. None of them.
Everybody got rejected.
Janki Didi, who I've worked with from Shaitan. She is really good.
Yeah.
She'll be better than all of them.
Wow.
I can tell that. Next with them.
And 5 actors: Ranbir Kapoor, Shahid Kapoor, Ishan Khattar, Varun Dhawan, Siddharth Malhotra.
Siddharth Malhotra and Varun Dhawan.
Yeah, you
I've
like
not
them?
watched a lot of Varun Dhawan, but Siddharth Malhotra I've seen a lot.
Okay.
pretty good.
I think he's pretty much answered everything. Like you're also like you've nailed the rapid fire round also. So now I think I have nothing to ask you as such. So one dream director, like for a kid when I was your age, I always saw Yash Raj and Dharma. For you, who's that one director that you want to work with?
I don't know a lot about other directors, but the ones I've worked with are really good.
So you like to repeat.
Yeah, Vikas sir from Shaitan, he was really fun and cool to work with, really understanding. And Mandar sir from Ye Meri Family, He was really nice. In fact, I had met him before in another ad years ago. I think it was some book ad, but yeah, I've worked with him. He is really fun, amazing guy.
So I'm sure with the way you look and the way you have your skills, a lot of people must be approaching you for films and other projects. So how is it that you filter that, I want to be a part of this project? Is a family collective call or the decision is totally yours?
Me and my family, we both decide. As in, some of the films I do, after audition, I take the script, I read it again, and if I like it, I tell them I really want to do this one. Recently, we just rejected a film. I'm not gonna say the name, but it had some inappropriate content, so we just declined it.
Okay, so you properly sit on it and then you decide you want to be a part of it.
Yeah, so I read the script. I didn't really like it.
That's great. Angad, anybody trying to come in the industry, their dream is ultimate कि मुझे Filmfare की वो black trophy मिले. Like everyone thinks that. You at this age got nominated Filmfare OTT. How was the whole experience?
So I'll tell you from scratch. I had just woken up. I was sleeping. I had just woken up, and I came to my mom. She said, "You've been nominated for Filmfare." I said, "What?" So she showed me a text message from Yash Bhaiya. He was the stylist from Shaitan. He said, "Congratulations, you've been nominated for Filmfare." Blah blah blah. So I opened their website and I saw my name. I was shocked. I went through every other this क्या
Portal.
बोलते हैं, category, and I saw I was the only kid there.
Wow.
And the people in my category, they were seniors and they were really experienced.
Pretty sure, yeah.
So it's crazy that like the people who were nominating all the actors, they really thought about putting me in there. So thank you so much, whoever nominated me.
And you also won an award from the governor himself. So what was that like and the whole experience from such dignitaries when you get appreciated for your work?
So that was really different. Other awards, they just give it to you, you say a speech. That one was really different. Like from the governor. That's
Correct.
crazy. Like the literal governor is giving me an award. So that's a huge thing. It was really crazy.
Did you get sleep that night?
We came late. I don't remember. Yeah, we slept.
I think Filmfare still must have kept you more because it's more of entertainment and yeah.
I mean, it's huge.
Right.
Yeah, I had gotten put in the category of supporting actor, though I wasn't a supporting actor in that. So please add a category for kids, please.
Please, we'll give a separate awards.
That's okay. Just add a category because and they don't even add other kids. I saw again. I was the only kid in that. So please keep a separate category for kids. We work really hard. We act and we study. Please keep that in mind.
Any message before going you want to give all your age fellows who want to be an actor? Anything that you want to tell your fans, your so-called friends, anything, that message that you want to give?
Keep working hard, enjoy life, and for the actors, whenever an audition comes, take it as a practice.
Wow. Thank you so much, Angad. It was really a very nice. I think this is one of my best interviews by far. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Hi, my name is Angad Raj, and you're watching me on 4 p.m. Bollywood. Like, share, and subscribe.